trying out this ultimate bite-sized chocolate chip cookies. This is Famous Amos. This is another coffee day for me. Matagal na ako naku-curious dito sa Famous Amos. Ang dami kasing flavors ng cookies to choose from and ang cute nila kasi lahat bite-sized pieces. Since it was my first time, ang pinili ko is yung bestseller nila. It's the chocolate chip macadamia cookies. They have snack pack combos. I chose the cappuccino with a small bucket of cookies. This is their branch in Robinson's Galleria in Ortigas. I like that meron silang small area to hang out para ma-enjoy yung coffee and cookies. Ganito karami yung laman ng isang small bucket. I think this is about 8 pieces. Sobra-sobra na to for me. This is the crunchy type of cookies. Masarap siya. Ito yung crunchy na hindi matigas. Tapos hindi siya cringe at tamis, kaya nasarapan ako. But yung kasama ko, he prefers yung mga soft and chewy type of cookies. Kaya so-so lang daw to sa kanya. But masarap daw. Pero ako yung umubos ng isang bucket. Their cappuccino is sakto lang for me. Nakulangan lang ako sa tapang. Pero bagay na bagay dun sa cookies nila. When I saw this cookie bar, naisip ko kagad yung daughter ko, matutuwa siya dito for sure. Kaso hindi ko siya kasama that day. Sobrang dami pang flavors na masarap itry. Meron ba kayong favorite cookie flavor dito sa Famous Amos?